Hi and welcome to section 4, using support vector machines and random forest for complex problems. In this section, we are going to take a look at what are support vector machines, using support vector machine kernels to transform problems, an image classifier built using support vector machines. Then we'll learn how to make better decisions using something called as decision trees. We'll see another method of combining these decision trees to make better predictions. Finally, we'll predict customer churn using random forest. In this video on what are support vector machines, we are going to see what are support vector machines and see how they work. Support vector machines are another example of supervised learning algorithms that can be used for classification and regression analysis. In the case of support vector machines, the examples are represented as points in space. Let's take this graph for example. Our task is to separate the blue dots from the orange crosses. To do this, we try to divide the points with the hyperplane. Let's suppose this line is a good line that divides these 2 points. Now imagine there are other 2 lines A and C along with B. From the lines A, B and C, we select the line which has the maximum distance between the nearest data points, which means that the line B has the maximum distance from X as well as this dot. This distance is also called as a margin. Now let's try to understand how support vector machines work. Let's say we have these collection of points and our task is to separate these out. Even if we have a point on this side of the graph, we'll still get the same straight line, meaning that support vector machines are pretty robust to outliers.